In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Google Drive. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Google Drive installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Google Drive download page. I will scroll down a bit, and here I will click on download now. That download should start for me, and then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I will click on it, and then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And here currently I have the installation file and also the template file. I will double click on the template, and it opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I will double click on Chocolatey Install and on the Edit button right here, and then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that, it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy the snippet, I will click on the button right here. Then I will go back to my package, I will insert the snippet here, and here we need to provide few values for it to work. For example, here we need to provide the executable file name, and for that I will go to my downloads folder, I will right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, and then I will copy it. Then I will go back to my package, I will insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter Google Drive. For the file type, I will enter exe because we are using a .exe installation file, and also we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, I will once again go to my GitHub page, and here I have all the necessary silent switches. So I will copy on the button right here to copy the values, go back to my package and insert the values here. And we're done modifying this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back. And now I need to provide few bits of information about the package here. So let's click on this edit button. For the package ID, I will enter Google Drive. Then for the version number, I think the current version number is 85.0.26.0. But this value right here will change depending on the executable that you're using. Now for the authors, I will leave it at less automation, and for the description, let's enter Google Drive package. And that's it for this bit. Now we can save the information by clicking on the button right here. And we have our package. Now we need to save it, and for that I will click on File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. And I will also use my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when installing this package. So let's save the package, and now we can try to install it. And for that I will open my terminal application, and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to execute a software installation. And here I will enter choco install. Then we need to provide our package ID that we entered here. So it's Google Drive. And also, because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to add -s and provide my Chocolatey repository location. So it's my D drive and downloads folder. And also I will add -y. And let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. I did get an error message right here, but I was not able to figure out what this error message means. And also I think even with this error message, the software installation was successful. If I go to my start menu, we can see Google Drive at recently added program list. I can click on it. It gives me the sign-in screen or getting started screen, and it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.